diets work in the short run because we're eating less calories than our body needs, but fail in the long run because we didn't learn anything about food. We only learned about restriction. Weight control is all about balance, balancing the amount of calories taken in and the amount of calories burned. The key with weight control is to understand the calorie content of food, so you can make choices that satisfy. The most important concept about weight control is that if you overeat 100 calories more a day than your body needs, you will gain 10 pounds a year. But if you undereat just 100 calories less a day than your body needs, you will lose 10 pounds a year. So if you undereat 500 calories less a day, you can lose a pound a week. Or gain. Calories are the bottom line for weight control. If you don't understand calories, you don't understand weight control. Calories are the real price you're paying on your body. Think of calories like money, and the label is the price tag. It's like when you go shopping and you see something you like, then you look at the price and you say, I don't like it that much. So the key is to be cheap. Cheap and satisfied. Be cheap with the calories and learn to satisfy, not deprive. Like money, you don't count every penny, but you need a concept. You want to know if something is 700 calories or 200 calories. We don't care if it's 220. And we never want to count every calorie. We never want to be that neurotic. You don't even have to count calories, but you do need to understand them and not waste them. There's no know, but know what you're doing. That means there's no food you can't have, so you never feel deprived. But you want to know what it is. Read the label. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can help you with your weight loss journey. And share with your family and friends to teach everyone weight education. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.